when I started my first little gym in Pittsworth. I was left school, did some boot camps on the Oval, opened my first little gym. I was a 18-year-old at the time. I had someone tell me, I hope you fail because you're silly to think that you could make this work at your age.
It's like that jealousy piece that comes in. You know, I remember when we did our rebrand, like there was lots of whispers and lots of eyeballs on us when we hit one of the fastest growing companies in Australia. There was a lot of talk because we'd renovated my old family business into something that was modern, that was fresh, that was a real threat to some established players in the market. And people want to take advantage of that naivety, that freshness, that newness, that potential weakness while you're focusing on making change and making ripples